As we get older, particularly after the age of 60, our bodies go through natural changes. One of the biggest challenges many people face is a condition called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass, strength, and function. You might notice it when climbing stairs feels harder, lifting groceries becomes more tiring, or your balance feels a little off. But here's the good news: this process is not inevitable. You can fight it, and in fact, you can reverse much of it by feeding your muscles with the right nutrients. As we age, one of the most silent and gradual changes that takes place in our body is the loss of muscle mass and strength, a condition known as sarcopenia. Most people begin to feel it creeping in around their 50s or 60s. You might notice you're not as strong as you once were, or that simple tasks like standing up from a chair, carrying groceries, or climbing stairs require more effort than before. Many people assume this is just part of aging, something we have to accept. But the truth is, sarcopenia is not inevitable. It's a natural process, yes, but one that can be slowed down, stopped, and even reversed with the right habits. Your body is incredibly adaptive. The same way it builds muscle in your younger years, it can still build muscle later in life, but it needs the right signals. The two most important signals are movement and nutrition. Every time you move your body, especially when you use resistance, lifting weights, climbing stairs, doing body weight exercises, you send a message to your muscles: stay strong, stay alive. The human body responds to stress, and when you challenge your muscles, they respond by growing stronger, denser, and more resilient. Now here's where nutrition plays a key role. Muscles don't grow from exercise alone. They grow from recovery and repair. After you move and challenge your muscles, they need the right building blocks to heal. Those building blocks come from protein, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. If your diet is lacking these essential nutrients, your muscles can't rebuild efficiently, no matter how much you move. This is one of the main reasons older adults experience weakness. Even if they're active, their muscles aren't getting enough of the raw materials needed for repair. And here's the good news: snorts. You can change that starting today. The moment you start giving your body high-quality protein, along with key minerals like calcium and magnesium, you begin to nourish the muscle fibers that support your strength, balance, and mobility. Your body starts to rebuild. It doesn't matter if you're 60, 70, or even 80. Your muscles can respond at any age. Think about this. Your muscles are not just for movement. They are metabolic engines. They regulate your blood sugar, protect your joints, and support your posture. Strong muscles keep your bones from breaking, your metabolism running efficiently, and your energy high. When you lose muscle, your risk of falls increases. Your bones become more fragile, and your stamina declines. But when you rebuild your muscle mass, you increase your independence and vitality. You protect your future. This is why I always tell people, don't focus on getting bigger. Focus on getting stronger. The goal is not to build bulky muscles. It's to build functional muscle, the kind that supports your daily activities, your stability, and your confidence. When you get out of bed, bend down to tie your shoes, or reach for something on a high shelf, your muscles are what make those actions possible. They are the foundation of your freedom. Now let's talk about what triggers muscle loss in the first place. After the age of 30, most people begin to lose about 3.5% of their muscle mass every decade. This happens faster if you're inactive, eat a low-protein diet, or don't challenge your muscles regularly. Hormonal changes like drops in testosterone and growth hormone also play a role. But here's the part that gives us hope. You can slow all of this down by living intentionally. Regular resistance training, walking, and stretching all keep the body's repair systems active. Pair that with proper nutrition, especially foods rich in complete proteins like certain cheeses, eggs, fish, beans, and legumes, and you create the perfect environment for your muscles to rebuild and thrive. Don't underestimate the power of consistency. You don't need to spend hours in a gym. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day of mindful movement done consistently can transform your body. The key is to move often, eat wisely, and stay hydrated. Water supports every cellular process in your body, including the one that builds muscle. When you're dehydrated, your muscles lose elasticity and strength, and your recovery slows down. And remember, muscle is not just about appearance, it's about longevity. Studies show that people with higher muscle mass in later years live longer, have better balance, and recover faster from illness or injury. Muscle is a form of health insurance for your body. It's your protection against frailty and dependence. So if you're over 60, don't let anyone tell you that muscle loss is normal or unavoidable. Your body is constantly renewing itself. Every cell, every fiber, every tissue is in a state of change. The question is, are you feeding that change with the right signals or letting it drift into decline? You have the power to decide. Start today. Move your body. Choose foods that rebuild, not deplete. Feed your muscles with strength, movement, and nourishment. Every bite of healthy food, every step you take, every deep breath of oxygen tells your body, I am alive, I am strong, and I am not giving up. Your body listens to your habits more than your age. You are not defined by the number on your birthday cake. You're defined by the energy you bring into your life. And when you make the choice to rebuild your strength, you're not just adding years to your life, you're adding life to your years. Stay positive, stay consistent, and never forget. Your body wants to heal, to rebuild, and to thrive. All it needs is your belief and your daily action. Cottage cheese is one of the most underrated foods when it comes to rebuilding muscle and improving strength, especially for people over 60. Most people walk past it in the grocery store without realizing they're overlooking one of the most powerful tools for muscle recovery and longevity. This simple, creamy food is a muscle builder in disguise, packed with the kind of slow-digesting protein your body desperately needs as it ages. As we grow older, our metabolism changes. We don't process protein as efficiently as we used to. The muscles don't get the same anabolic response from food that they once did. This is why so many older adults lose muscle even when they're eating what seems like enough. The secret is not just how much protein you eat, it's the type of protein and when you eat it. Cottage cheese gives you the perfect combination of protein that's slowly absorbed over several hours, fueling your muscles long after your meal. The star of cottage cheese is casein protein. Unlike whey, which digests quickly, casein breaks down slowly, providing a steady stream of amino acids into your bloodstream. This is especially beneficial before bedtime. Think about what happens when you sleep. Your body goes into repair mode, your brain rests, your cells detoxify, and your muscles begin to rebuild from the stresses of the day. If you go to bed without enough amino acids in your system, your body has to draw them from somewhere, and often it pulls them from your muscles. That's how people gradually lose lean tissue over time without even realizing it. But if you eat a small bowl of cottage cheese before bed, you're giving your body the raw material it needs to rebuild. Those amino acids drip feed your muscles all night long, preventing breakdown and promoting repair over time. That makes a huge difference. It means more muscle retention, better strength, and a faster metabolism. It's one of the simplest nighttime habits you can develop, and it works. Cottage cheese is also rich in leucine, one of the most important amino acids for triggering muscle protein synthesis. Leucine acts like a switch. When it's present in the bloodstream, it tells your body it's time to build muscle. This is why athletes, bodybuilders, and people recovering from injury often turn to cottage cheese as a staple food. It's not fancy, but it's incredibly effective. Beyond protein, cottage cheese is a great source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, 3 minerals that work together to strengthen bones and improve muscle contractions. Calcium helps your muscles contract properly. Magnesium relaxes them, and phosphorus supports the energy cycle that allows your cells to function efficiently. This trio is critical as you age, not only for physical strength, but also for preventing cramps, fatigue, and bone fragility. One of the best things about cottage cheese is its versatility. You can enjoy it sweet or savory. Add fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a light breakfast or evening snack, or mix it with sliced cucumber, tomato, and olive oil for a refreshing protein-rich lunch. The goal is consistency. One serving a day can make a noticeable impact over time. Now, for those who are watching their fat intake, there are low-fat and fat-free versions available. However, a moderate amount of natural fat can actually help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins like D and K, which are essential for bone and muscle health. So if your diet allows, choose the regular version. The healthy fats will support your hormones, particularly testosterone and growth hormone, both of which are crucial for maintaining muscle mass as we age. People often ask, can cottage cheese really make a difference? The answer is yes, but not overnight. It's the power of accumulation, of giving your body what it needs day after day. Think of it like building a house brick by brick. Every spoonful of cottage cheese provides the amino acids your body uses to strengthen and maintain your muscle fibers over weeks and months. That adds up to a stronger, more resilient body. And remember, it's not just about the muscle. Strong muscles protect your joints, improve your balance, and reduce your risk of falls. They help you move with confidence, climb stairs without fear, and keep your posture upright. When your muscles are nourished, your entire body functions better. Your metabolism speeds up, your blood sugar stabilizes, and your energy levels rise. That's the ripple effect of giving your body high-quality fuel. If you're someone who struggles with appetite or digestion, cottage cheese is a gentle option. It's soft, easy to chew, and light on the stomach. Because it's rich in protein but low in carbs, it won't spike your blood sugar, making it ideal for those with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Make this a simple ritual. A small bowl before bed or a few spoonfuls between meals can transform your recovery. Pair it with a glass of water to stay hydrated and add a little fruit for antioxidants. This is how healing happens, not with extremes, but with steady, intelligent nourishment. Your body is capable of rebuilding. No matter your age, it's waiting for the right fuel, the right rhythm, the right care. Cottage cheese may seem humble, but it's a quiet powerhouse for your muscles. Each time you eat it, you're not just feeding your hunger. You're feeding your strength, your stability, and your longevity. Never underestimate the small things. Sometimes the simplest foods hold the greatest power to heal and rebuild the body. Cottage cheese is one of those foods, nature's slow-burning gift to your muscles, your bones, and your future self. Parmesan cheese, that rich, nutty, flavorful cheese you often sprinkle on your pasta, is far more than a garnish. It's a nutritional powerhouse, one of the most concentrated sources of protein and minerals you can add to your diet, especially if you're over 60 and looking to rebuild strength and muscle. Most people don't realize that this simple cheese holds the potential to support your bones, protect your muscles, and help slow the effects of aging from the inside out. As we get older, the body's ability to maintain muscle mass and bone density declines. Sarcopenia and osteoporosis often go hand in hand because muscles and bones depend on each other. When your muscles weaken, your bones take more strain. When your bones become brittle, your muscles lose their proper foundation. Parmesan cheese delivers exactly what both systems need: high-quality protein, calcium, phosphorus, and essential amino acids. Let's start with protein. Parmesan cheese contains more protein per ounce than almost any other cheese, even more than many cuts of meat. A small serving, just 1 ounce, provides about 10 grams of protein, and because it's made from aged milk, the proteins are already partially broken down, making them easier to digest and absorb. This means your body can take those amino acids and immediately put them to work rebuilding and maintaining lean muscle. Protein isn't just about muscle size. It's about strength, repair, and metabolic balance. Every cell in your body, from your skin to your organs to your enzymes, depends on amino acids. When you eat Parmesan, you're not just feeding your muscles. You're nourishing your entire system. The high concentration of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, in Parmesan, especially leucine, triggers the body's muscle-building switch. This helps counteract the natural slowdown in muscle protein synthesis that happens as we age. Now let's talk about minerals. Parmesan is rich in calcium and phosphorus, the two main minerals that form the structure of your bones. These two work hand in hand. Calcium gives your bones hardness, while phosphorus provides flexibility. Without phosphorus, bones become brittle. Without calcium, they lose density. Parmesan provides both in perfect balance. Every sprinkle you add to your meal strengthens your skeletal system from the inside, reducing your risk of fractures, spine compression, and posture changes that often come with aging. Another unique benefit of Parmesan is that it's naturally low in lactose. During the long aging process, often 12 to 24 months, most of the lactose, milk sugar, is broken down by beneficial bacteria. This makes Parmesan a great option even for people who are lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy. You get all the benefits of cheese, protein, calcium, and healthy fats without the digestive discomfort. Let's not forget that Parmesan is also a great source of vitamins A, D, and B12. Vitamin A supports tissue repair and immune health. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium efficiently, and vitamin B12 boosts energy and supports nerve function. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining vitality after 60, when absorption rates from food naturally decrease. You can easily incorporate Parmesan into your daily meals. Sprinkle it over steamed vegetables, eggs, soups, salads, or whole grain pasta. The flavor is so strong that even a small amount adds depth and satisfaction. You don't need a lot. Just a tablespoon or two provides a significant nutrient boost, and because it's aged and dry, a little goes a long way. One of the biggest challenges older adults face is maintaining a healthy appetite. As we age, our sense of taste and smell can diminish, making food less appealing. Parmesan's bold, savory flavor helps rekindle that enjoyment. When you enjoy your food more, you eat better. And when you eat better, your muscles, bones, and energy all respond. The healthy fats in Parmesan are another reason it's beneficial. These fats help maintain hormone balance, particularly testosterone and growth hormone, both of which decline naturally with age, but are vital for muscle preservation and repair. Fats also improve absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, keeping your immune system strong and your joints lubricated. The key, as always, is moderation and consistency. You don't need to eat large quantities. Instead, make Parmesan a regular companion to your meals, a nutrient-dense enhancement rather than an indulgence. Think of it as your functional food medicine. It's nature's way of giving your body concentrated nutrition in a form that's delicious and satisfying. When combined with resistance exercise and proper hydration, Parmesan can be part of a powerful strategy to rebuild muscle and fight sarcopenia. Every time you lift a weight, climb stairs, or stretch, your muscles experience tiny micro tears. Those tears repair themselves stronger, but only if the right nutrients are present. That's where Parmesan's rich amino acid profile and minerals come in. They become the raw materials for rebuilding and strengthening those fibers. This is how small daily choices add up. A handful of protein here, a sprinkle of Parmesan there. Over time, they shape the strength of your body and the quality of your life. Strong muscles mean confidence. Strong bones mean stability. Together they mean freedom, the ability to move without pain, to live without fear of falling, and to enjoy every moment with energy and purpose. So the next time you sit down to eat, don't underestimate that little sprinkle of Parmesan. It's not just flavor, it's fuel for your vitality. Every bite is a step towards stronger muscles, healthier bones, and a more vibrant life. Your body may age, but your cells never stop listening. Feed them wisely, and they'll thank you with strength, stability, and resilience for years to come. Swiss cheese is one of the most remarkable foods you can add to your diet if you're over 60 and working to maintain or rebuild your strength. It's more than just a slice of cheese with holes in it. It's a nutrient-dense source of protein, calcium, vitamin B12, and probiotics that can powerfully support muscle, nerve, and gut health. When chosen wisely and eaten in moderation, Swiss cheese becomes a true ally in fighting sarcopenia, improving energy, and keeping your body functioning at its best as you age. As we get older, the connection between the brain, nerves, and muscles becomes even more important. The brain sends electrical signals through the nervous system to tell your muscles when to move, how much force to use, and how to balance your body. But for those signals to travel efficiently, your nerves need to be healthy and well-nourished. This is where vitamin B12, found abundantly in Swiss cheese, plays a vital role. Vitamin B12 supports the production of myelin, the protective coating around your nerves that allows electrical impulses to travel smoothly. Without enough B12, those signals become weak or disrupted. This can lead to fatigue, weakness, tingling, or even balance problems, symptoms many older adults experience without realizing that a nutrient deficiency may be part of the cause. By including Swiss cheese in your diet, you help keep your nervous system strong, ensuring that your muscles receive clear, powerful signals from your brain. Swiss cheese is also an excellent source of high-quality protein. Each slice contains a balanced blend of essential amino acids, the building blocks of muscle tissue. When you consume this protein regularly, it supports muscle repair and helps prevent the slow decline of muscle mass that often accompanies aging. Because Swiss cheese digests gradually, it provides your muscles with a steady stream of nourishment, helping to maintain your strength and endurance throughout the day. Another often overlooked benefit of Swiss cheese is its probiotic content. During the fermentation process, beneficial bacteria develop, which helps support gut health. A healthy gut is crucial for nutrient absorption. You could be eating the best foods in the world, but if your digestive system isn't functioning properly, your body won't absorb the vitamins and mineral